Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the code on the Kwikset SmartCode 917 log step by step. So first of all, you need to start by going to the inside part of the Kwikset SmartCode 917. So as you can see, this is going to be the battery cover. So you need to remove it first so that you can access the program button. Now, when you remove it, you are going to see this type of program button inside it. So you just have to simply just press and hold this particular program button once. Now here is where the process changes depending on the setup. If you have already enabled the programming code, you need to enter into the programming code on the keypad. So you need to simply press the quick set button on top of it. But if you have never created a programming code, you just have to simply press this particular program button once, and the keypad should flash the green light and beep once when programming mode starts. Now when the programming mode starts, you just have to simply press 1 on the keyboard. After that, you just have to simply press the quick set button. Then you just have to simply enter your 4 to 8 digit new code that you want to set, and in order to save it, you need to simply press the quick set button again. If it is successful, the keypad flashes green and you will also hear a long beep. So Kwikset also recommends making sure that your first 4 digits are unique from the existing codes. Now, once you have done that, you need to close the door and then you need to simply test your new code like a real unlock. For that, you can just simply press the quick set button to lock it, and then you can enter the new pin that you have just created. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.